The Danby 3-in-1 portable air conditioner, 12,000 BTU, sounds like with the compressor running on the lowest fan setting, 57 decibels, right beside the unit. Further away from the unit, 50 decibels. Highest fan setting, 68, 69 decibels at the unit, 60 decibels further away. So 60 decibels with the compressor running, full cooling mode, set to 16 degrees, which is the coldest setting it has, blowing freezing cold air, not bad at all. And that's because of the inverter. Unfortunately, all the tabs on the adapter snapped, so I had to duct tape it. If I undo the drain, pull out the plug, that is the amount of water I get. Having a little bit of water in the reservoir helps the compressor cool, keeps the coils colder. And here's the bottom one. See that? Nothing came out. So mine doesn't drain water. Some people are reporting theirs drains water like crazy.